for holding for me. It's Robert for the Police and Sheriff's United PAC. And we're reaching out to everyone in the area because more and more police officers are getting assaulted on the job every day. And as a PAC and not a charity, we want to see lawmakers elected that push for policies and legislations as well as better working conditions for our police officers so they can better protect our homes and communities. Now, when you receive your contribution return envelope, can we count on you to return a small non-tax deductible contribution for the drive?
Why don't we contribute to the people that get assaulted by the police? How about them apples? He. Well, there's Doc Compton. Hello? Huh?
Hello. Yeah, this is Daniel with US Care. How are you doing today?
Hey, Daniel. U.S. Care.
Are you there?
I'm here, Daniel. Can you hear me? Got a bunch of assholes in the background yelling. Hey, Daniel. That's it. Check out Doc Compton. Ruck Phobo calls. Hell yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Hey, Relish. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah. Hey, baby.
Final expense program that has just been approved in your state. It's going to cover the funeral, burial, and cremation 100%. To make sure you qualify, how old are you?
70. Hey, your name's Daniel Blake?
Yes, Daniel Blake. So you're 78, right?
Yeah. Wait. I'm
And you make your own. I'm sorry?
Wait, I'm only 70.
Oh, 70, not 78, right?
Yeah, Daniel Blake. How old are you, Daniel Blake?
I'm 32.
30. Oh, okay. All right. What do you got? Burial?
So we're just qualifying you for the final expense program. And what's your zip code, sir?
39208.
39208, okay.
Yeah.
And you're living in your own house, you don't have any major health condition, right?
I got major. Yeah, I'm at my own house, but as far as major health conditions go, there's a couple, but it's all
What
good.
kind of condition you have, like Alzheimer, dementia, stroke, or cancer?
Not yet. No. Okay. I got the blood clots in my lungs. It's called.
You got blood clots?
Well, it's called bilateral pulmonary embolisms.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it this year or a couple of years ago?
Oh, I've been dealing with this for like 20 years so far. I take my meds.
Okay. So you're now feeling good, right? You don't have.
Oh, I feel great. I feel on top of the world.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
That's so good.
And you're a smoker or non-smoker?
No. Well, it depends on what you're talking about smoking. You talking about weed?
No, smoking cigarettes?
Yeah, I do that. Yeah, because I'm actually. I'll tell you what. 2 packs a day equals. All right, 365. Hold on. Do some math. 2 packs a day. Yeah, I'm a smoker of cigarettes. I don't smoke weed though.
Alright. And how do you spell your first and last name?
What?
I said, how do you spell your first and last name?
Well, people call me under my nickname. My real name is like kind of a mystery. They call me Shorty.
Sorry?
My nick. What people call me in real life is my name's Shorty. Wannabe midget.
Shorty.
Yeah, Shorty.
Shorty?
But that's not my
So
real.
what's your real name?
My real name. Oh, my name is Talls McFegerson.
Paul? Paul?
Yeah, Paul McFagerson.
How do you spell that, your last name?
Fagger McFagerson.
Mick Federson, right?
Yeah. I got picked on all through high school being named.
MICFADDERSON, right?
No, Fagg. It's Fagerson.
Oh, DG.
It sounds like
E
a
for
gay
goat,
name.
right?
It sounds gay, but I'm not really gay. I'm not gay at all. It's Fagerson. Yes, my last name is Fagerson.
Ferguson.
Yeah.
Paul Ferguson. Mick Ferguson, right?
Yeah.
Do you have any kind of active checking and saving account?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Perfect. So it sounds like you're perfectly qualified for a final expense program benefit that are going to cover the 100% of your funeral, burial, and cremation expenses, okay?
Yeah, that sounds good. What's your name?
My name is Daniel Blake.
Daniel Blake. All right, that's cool.
That's cool?
That's definitely cool. Yeah. Man,
Alright, so let me connect you with a senior advisor.
thank God you didn't make
They're
fun
gonna
of my
assist
last
you.
name. Fagerson is it sounds like a gay name, but I'm not really gay. Yep. Where you go? Hello? I'm alright.
Yes, so we're running a survey in your area, and I wanted to know if you still owe more than $3,000 to $4,000 worth of unsecured debt.
Yeah.
What is the amount that you owe on your debt?
Which one?
I'm sorry, could you please repeat that for me?
Which debt are you inquiring about? I owe so much
Okay,
money.
so I'm just talking about the unsecured debts, like credit card debts, personal loans, or hospital medical bills. So
Well,
do you owe anything towards these debts?
yeah, I do.
What is the amount that you owe on your debt?
A lot.
All right. Seems like you're perfectly qualified. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this call over to my verification department so they can...
Thinking what?
Hello.
Hi.
Yes, thank you so much for taking my call. My name is Ashton. How are you today?
50-50. How are you doing?
Well, we are here to help you out with your debts. What kind of debts do you have? Credit cards or personal loans?
My bookies want money. My dope dealers want money. My credit cards in shambles. What kind of... Here we go. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, my name is Steven. How are you doing today?
I don't know. I'm here with my husband. Hey, David.
Yeah. Actually, I'm calling you to let you know that yesterday Marketplace released some counter-updated benefits, and I do believe you got health insurance with Marketplace, right?
Yeah, well, me and my husband do, yeah. My husband's not...
Sure.
Can you talk about the, are they calling about the benefits?
Yes, sir. I'm calling you about the benefits.
Okay.
Sounds good to me, David. Tell me about the benefits.
Yeah. So what kind of benefits are you talking about?
Yeah, taking you to acting.
No, we're not acting. We're not acting. We're for real.
That's my real husband.
Yeah, you bullshit. You're playing games with me. What do you mean?
Give us our
I don't
benefits.
have time. I don't have time to play games.
Give us our benefits.
No, you're a bullshit, you know. No, I don't know what you mean playing games. I'm trying to be serious to get benefits and I gotta deal with people like you.
Hey, David.
Well, bring it here. I'll jack you up. I'll make you feel real nice. Bullshit. I'll jack
David,
you up.
David, watch your language,
like
David.
Well, that fucker was talking shit to me.
Hey, David. Oh, he hung up. Hello.
Hello, Sharon. Good afternoon. How are you today?
Yeah. I'm about 50-50.
Okay, that's good to hear. Well,
Yeah.
anyway, Sharon, I have a good news for you. My name is Neil, and I am with the Health Advisors.
Well, hey,
So,
Neil. It's
just
good to
like-
meet you, Neil.
I'm sorry?
Neil?
Yes.
It's good to meet you, Neil.
Nice to meeting you as well, Sharon.
Neil
Well, Sharon, my name is Neil, and
Yeah, my name's Sharon.
well, Sharon, there's a new federal benefit available
Neil
from
and Bob.
I think I don't hear any positive response in the other line. I'll just go ahead and disconnect the call. Have a
No,
good
wait,
day.
Neil.
Yeah.
Hello?
Thanks for holding on the line. My name is David. How are you doing today?
Oh, David, thank God you answered. I'm supposed to prepare for an emergency? David?
Prepare for the emergency?
Well, the robot said I better brace myself for danger because she's going to come down and hump my bare butt cheeks or some shit. David, what's going on here? What kind of robot was that? Should I use some lube? Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Alice Babaji. Alice Babaji.
Huh?
Alice Babaji.
What's your name? What? Hello?
This is Kathleen Williams, and I'm calling you from the American Claims Advisor. How are you?
I'm just doing terrific today.
Okay, actually, this is a verification call which confirm me. When did you diagnose with Parkinson's disease? Anyone in your family?
Yeah, me. I'm shaking my ass off right now. Look like I'm twerking.
Oh.
Can you twerk?
Okay. So,
Send me a
so
video
you
of that.
diagnosed with Parkinson's?
Yeah, well, I didn't want it, but I got it. It's contagious. Well.
Okay, and are you taking medication? Like is carbidopa, levodopa medication? Are you taking?
Oh, I got to take the meds. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of an unpronounceable name as far as pills go, but they're making me take it. So I got to take it.
Okay, okay. And by the way, in which year you diagnosed with Parkinson's disease?
About 2 years now. Is that a turn off for you? Would you still
It's
find me
2 years
attractive?
ago?
Would you still find me attractive if I had Parkinson's? I'm telling you what, we can make the bed shake more than you think, baby. Woo! Hello? Yeah, Parkinson's ain't so bad. I got good libido.
Crazy? Sorry?
Parkinson's gives me good libido.
Medication name?
I don't know what it's called. It's unpronounceable. It's like a big, long, stupid word, and I gotta take it. If we ever hooked up, I'd just quit for a couple of days so we could really rock that bed, if you know what I mean. Parkinson's, yeah. Aww. She hung up. Parkinson's is serious, though. Don't make no jokes about that. Also, don't give the dude with Parkinson's the camera to film the party, because it's going to turn out like an earthquake happened. Yeah.
Now, please hold on for a second.
Okay.
Hi, good to have you on call. My name is Veronica. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic. Thank you so much for asking. Actually, this call is all about additional Medicare benefits for the year 2025. And the best thing is that you don't need to pay anything out of your pocket.
Sounds good.
Okay, so just for the qualification purpose, let's just do a quick review and see which kind of additional benefits are perfectly eligible for you, okay?
Okay, well, sure.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to know, whenever you visit your doctor or you visit a specialist, are you paying anything out of your pocket?
Now, Dr. Phil makes free house calls. My doctor's awesome.
Okay, that's nice.
He can give me a prostate exam with both of his hands on my shoulders. He's magic, I tell you.
Okay, that's nice. You're blessed with a good doctor.
It is nice.
And just for the qualification purpose, may I know how old are you? What's your age?
I'm 72.
72 years young. Okay.
Today's my birthday,
And
too.
okay. Happy birthday to you.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday to you. Happy birthday. I'm sorry, I don't know your name.
Oh, my name is Ben.
Okay. Happy birthday to you, BM.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. So at the pretty young age of 72, are you residing in your own home or are you living in some nursing facility?
No, I live in my own house.
That's perfect.
It's in a
And do you-
gated community.
Uh-huh.
It's in a gated community.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice. And Mr. Ben, how do you say your last name? Can you spell your last name for me?
Yeah, Fapping.
Okay, it's Fapping. Okay. How was your birthday, by the way? You told me that it's your birthday.
I celebrated it by myself. I bought me a
my God.
cupcake with one candle in it, and then I watched some dirty movies by myself. That's about it so far. Do you like dirty movies? Oh crap, she hung up.
That is rare. Look at that.
2 for 1.
She sent me a picture one time. It was her and her mom on the beach. And she had the carrot cut. And I was like, no! But it was a prank.
Can you stop? Enough.
I'm getting plenty of screenshots here.